If you fear persecution in your home country, you may be eligible to apply for asylum in the United States. Here's how you can apply and what you need to know. First, educate yourself on the eligibility requirements. Next, check the USCIS website for eligibility requirements and application forms. To be eligible for asylum in the United States, an individual must meet the following general requirements. 1. They must be physically present in the United States, or seeking entry into the United States, at the time of application. 2. They must have a genuine fear of persecution in their home country due to their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. 3. They must not have committed any serious crimes or pose a threat to national security. 4. They must apply for asylum within 1 year of their most recent arrival in the United States, unless they can show that there are changed circumstances or extraordinary circumstances that prevented them from applying within the 1-year deadline. It's important to note that these are general requirements, and each asylum case is unique. Step 2. Fill out Form I-589, Application for Asylum and for Withholding of Removal, and submit it to USCIS. Step 3. Attend an interview with an asylum officer to present your case. Step 4. If approved, you may be granted asylum and be allowed to stay in the United States. It's important to note that asylum is not granted automatically and requires evidence of persecution or fear of persecution based on your race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Applying for asylum can be a complicated process. Seek guidance to help you navigate the process.